Okay, Lauren, here's a video recap from your lesson on September 17th, 2016 with Tim Cusick at the Four Seasons. So the practice swing I had you working on was holding the club up at the level of your knees for the head of the club. And I want you to feel as though you're making a swing as though the ball was right there, which helps you with the second part of your backswing to get the club to swing a little bit more on an arc or a circle, backswing and downswing. And the nice thing is that in feeling that, that's going to allow you to feel a little bit shorter in length, because the more the club goes around, the easier it is to shorten the swing. So if you feel like you make this swing but at 3/4 and then let it circle back through, this is what the second part of your backswing should feel like and your downswing should feel like. And so then if I fast forward to your swing, you're going to see that as you swing back from ground level to hip level, you're letting the club travel more up the plane line, whereas when we first started today, it was well underneath that line and inside. And the more under and inside it goes, the more it goes up and the longer it gets. So when the club is going too upright, it's going to have a tendency to just keep going and going and going. There's no way to stop the swing. So that's why that practice swing is going to help you not only with the length of the swing, but with the arc of the swing too. Now from this point, the club feels like it goes more around, and you can see that as a result, you're on the second plane line that I've drawn. You could feel like this would be the length of the swing right here, and it would be a perfect backswing. You went a little bit too much past, but as you come back down, now you want to retrace your steps. You want to come back down the way you went up. You're coming down just a fraction too steep. You can see the shaft is a little bit steeper. Just a little bit steeper than the angle that you went up. So in a perfect world, you'd like to go up and down on the same line. And when it comes down a little bit steep and to the left, that's when you tend to pull your shots. This was a very good hit. You had more height on it. But if you do start pulling them, it's because it gets a little upright and then it comes over and gets too steep. I'm going to let you watch this one more time in slow motion. I like the way this swing looks. It almost has to break down into two parts. The takeaway, and then feel like you're more on an arc or a circle, but 3/4.